Simo sishubile njengobe lombhikisho ucale ngalesithathu ekuseni. Ganzi Takhamuti tishange ndvokuphasi. Letikhala ngako kakhulu ngemanti njengobe tithi sekuphele emaviki lamabili angekho.
Residents are not having water for that period of time. So they just wake up, they want to bath, kids want to go to school, they find that in taps there's nothing. So they just want water. They are grouped, wherever grouped, seeking to get water.
Lombhikisho sewubangele ukuthi kuphathamiseke emabhizinisi kanye netikolo.
Kids are not going to school. As workers, we are not going to work. Business also are not running. And then those people who survive by taxi drivers driving taxis, they are not working. So we are having a big problem here in Messina.
Even is suffering also a strike. The people is when he's afraid, the customers when he's come, then he's afraid run away. When he's so the people is coming to be hit, then it's the N1 road is the tire is also the bending. The people is run away. We are all suffering, bro.
Masipala wesigodi ibembe uthi so uyitfolile imbangela yokubabete kwemanti kulendzawo. Ganzi tisebenti talo masipala tiyasilungisa lesimo.